Here we go guys, let's unbox the delivery Nathan. From TABUK City Dagupan, client sent the iPhone 11 Pro Max. IT is trusted shop Nanan. Let's start unboxing the package from our client. Thank you for trusting our shop, sir. This is sir's iPhone. He sent it to us because the technician put it in his area was ugly. I delayed typing. So I said I'll try to replace it with a new LCD from my original iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here, and I trusted him, sir, so he sent his device to my shop. Let's start to remove all screw and remove the flex and metal plate and remove the LCD from the unit. Now we need to open the device to place new original LCD. From original iPhone 11 Pro Max, let's go and watch our video until the end. To follow all procedures, also remove speaker and mic and sensor from old LCD and transfer to new LCD. Let's do this. And now test new original LCD and check if all working. Thank you guys. If you have same problem, you can inbox me here and comment to our video. Bye guys.